In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best spot welding machines available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the spot welding machines list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the spot welding machines mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, UF20B Faraday Spot Welder. The UF20B Faraday Spot Welder is a powerful capacitor-type machine designed for precision welding of lithium batteries and metal parts. With its AC 110V/220V dual voltage support, it delivers stable, high-current output for consistent, clean welds. Ideal for DIY battery pack assembly and repair, it ensures safety and efficiency with fast discharge welding and high power delivery. Its compact build and professional-grade performance make it a top choice for users seeking reliability and durability in every weld. Number 4, Stainless Steel Jewelry Spot Welder. This automatic stainless steel spot welding machine is engineered for fine jewelry and precision metalwork. Featuring laser control, pulse argon arc welding, and CNC automation, it guarantees high accuracy and consistent results. Its numerical control panel makes operation easy, ensuring each weld is clean and precise. Perfect for gold, silver, or stainless steel jewelry, it offers low heat deformation, strong joints, and a professional finish, making it ideal for workshops, artisans, and repair professionals. Number 3, 801H3500A Pulse Spot Welder. The 801H High Current Pulse Spot Welder delivers an impressive 3500A output, ideal for welding lithium iron phosphate and aluminum nickel battery materials. Its pulse welding technology ensures stable, low-resistance connections without damaging cells. Designed for high-demand applications and battery manufacturers, this welder combines precision control, fast response time, and long service life. Perfect for those who need reliable power and efficiency in advanced metal joining tasks. Number 2, FNIRSI SWM-10 Mini Battery Welder. The FNIRSI SWM-10 Portable Battery Spot Welder is perfect for DIY users and small repair projects. With a built-in 5000 mAh battery and adjustable power levels, it supports welding up to 0.25 mm nickel sheets for 18,650 battery packs. Its compact, USB rechargeable design makes it convenient for mobile or home use. This portable welder features precise timing control, ensuring safe, consistent welds every time, an excellent tool for electronics hobbyists and battery pack builders. Number 1, Awithz 9000W Pedal Spot Welder. The Awithz 9000W High Power Spot Welder delivers unmatched welding strength with up to 1330A adjustable output. Designed for DIY 18650 battery welding, it features pedal operation for hands-free control and precision. Its portable yet durable build ensures ease of use and long-lasting performance. Whether for professional use or hobby projects, this machine provides efficient, fast, and reliable welds across various metals, making it a favorite among battery technicians and workshop users.